I'm Joseph Baiju George. I'm the marketing director for LABTOP Instruments Private Limited. So if I have to tell you a few things about the company, we've been in this field for the last 30 years. Little about the brand that we have is like, as I said, 30 years of experience we have in this field, and we have 3 lines. That is blood bank, we have pharmaceutical line, and then we have the lab line. We cater to a wide range of utilities, and the brand versatility is very unique. We cater to different types and different fields. So I'll just give you a brief about each product that we are displaying here at India Lab today. So this one we have is a shaking incubator. As you can see, we have a shaker placed inside an incubator, which this is mainly used in pharmaceutical industries, like for example in the manufacturing of fish collagen. So fish collagen is manufactured in this when it's mixed with another a medium where it is used for enzymatic hydrolysis. So what happens is there's a culture inside, and the culture is set in a temperature. In order for the culture to grow, it has to agitate at a specific RPM. So that's what this is. Then we have a multi-tube biomixer. The whole deal about this thing is just mixing. Any solution is mixed in this. This is a hand-free mixer. Normally, biomixers you are required to have hands-on operation, but this doesn't require any of that, and it vortexes pretty well as well. This is a shaker too. This is a very unique one because not a lot of industries make this one. We are the only manufacturers that give up to this volume. So unlike this one doesn't have an incubator because the cultures or the algae or fungus is grown inside here has to be grown in the ambient temperature. So enough about that. This is the walk-in stability chamber. We have different types of walk-in rooms where we have walk-in cold rooms, we have walk-in plant growth chamber, we have walk-in stability chamber. What it does is it tests the shelf life of each product. For example, if we have a pharmaceutical drug, in order to test the shelf life, we put it in there, and it is put in a specific climate. An artificial climate is set, and that's how we figure out how long a product lasts. And this is a freeze thaw chamber. So what happens is when we import drugs from outside India, it comes in a temperature in probably in minus 35, minus 40. What we do is thaw it in the required temperature where we can use it effectively without harming the product. This is the high volume refrigerated centrifuge. What it does is, let's say there's a chemical mixture. What it does is it separates the mixture when it rotates. So what happens is there's a flask in here. There are like 12 to 16 flasks in there. There's a chemical mixture. In order to get the specific ingredients, like for example for a pharmaceutical drug, there's an API, there's the 4 or 5 excipients. In order for us to separate those excipients and API, we put it in the centrifuge. And also we have a small centrifuge over there. So this is a small centrifuge we have. It's called the LLC6. It goes up to 6000 RPM. So we have a digital display over here. Not a lot of companies offer this luxury. So this goes up to 6000 RPM. Similar to the large volume centrifuge, it separates chemical mixtures. That's what it mainly does, and we have the same types of centrifuge in different lines as well. So I guess that pretty much sums about every product that we have and all about our brand. We are very grateful to have been working in India Lab, and the footfall has been really fun.